A huge cranium found in the Songhua River in China represents a new sister lineage for Homo sapiens, the Natural History Museum in London has revealed. The skull dates back at least 146,000 years, experts have said. A team led by Professor Qiang Qi at the Hebei GEO University described the skull in a new paper published in the journal The Innovation. The skull is almost complete and provides important evidence for understanding the evolution of humans and the origin of our species. The cranium is so distinctive in shape that some of the team have suggested declaring the skull as a new species of the Homo genus. It has been dubbed Dragon Man or Homo yongi. The name is derived from the Longjiang or Dragon River in the Heilongjiang province of China. Chris Stringer, a human evolution expert at the Natural History Museum, studied the skull alongside Professor G and their team. He said, "This is a remarkable new piece of the jigsaw of human evolution, a fossil that will continue to add important information for many years to come. It is one of the best preserved of all ancient human fossils." More than 100,000 years ago, several human species coexisted in Asia, Europe and Africa, including Homo sapiens, Neanderthals and Denisovans, in what has been described as a Tolkien-like world of different interacting hominids. In China, some ancient fossils have been found with interesting combinations of features that have sparked fierce debate about whether they belong to a different species of human, so far unrecognised by science. Some researchers believe the fossils might represent a transitional population that bridges a gap between our ancient ancestor Homo erectus and our own species, Homo sapiens, or think they could even represent primitive forms of our own species. A skull known as the Harbin cranium has added fuel to these discussions. It was reportedly discovered in 1933 when a bridge was built over the Songhua River in northeast China's Harbin city. Having been buried in sediment for thousands of years, it was reanalyzed by the team. Instead of simply comparing the shape and size of various features on the skull, the team used phylogenetic analysis in this new research, using maths to represent the evolutionary history or relationship between different species or organisms. It revealed three main groups of late Pleistocene humans that all had a common ancestor. These were Homo sapiens, Neanderthals, and a group containing the new skull and other Chinese fossils. The team's study suggested that the Chinese fossils were more closely linked to our own species than to Neanderthals. Chris Stringer added, "The skull has a large brain capacity, fully within the range of modern humans and Neanderthals. It also shows features resembling our own species, including flat and low cheekbones with a shallow canine fossa, and the face looks reduced and tucked under the brain case. It's widely believed that the Neanderthals form the sister group of the Homo sapiens lineage, but our analyses suggest that the skull and some other Middle Pleistocene human fossils from China form a third East Asian lineage, which is actually closer to sapiens than the Neanderthals are. I think this lineage does represent a different species." This all means that the skull throws new light on the evolution of our species. Geochemist and team member Dr. Junyi Ge from the Chinese Academy of Sciences, CAS, said, "Although it is impossible to pin the cranium to the exact location with currently available technology, all the evidence suggests that it was from a bed of water-laid sediments between 138,000 and 309,000 years ago in the Harbin region." So what do you think? Is this a new species of humanoid? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.